Hi friends, welcome back to our channel N-TechSpot. This is Neha Bambalkar. In today's video, we will see how to create free blog on Tumblr. Previously, I discussed about how to create Tumblr account, and in the second part, I discussed about how to do Tumblr setting. So in this video, we will see how to create free blog from the scratch, so stay tuned. And if you have any queries related to this video or the previous videos, you can comment down and I will try my best to solve your queries. So I already logged into my Tumblr account. So I am on the feed right now. So what we have to do here, just click on this human icon. From here you can see the new option. Basically, while creating the account, you have to create the blog. So that's why while creating the account, I created the N-TechSpot blog. So to show you all, I will create the new blog and will show you how to create free blog on Tumblr. So stay tuned. So from this new option, let me draw here. Just click on this plus new option and you will good to go. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to select the title of the blog and then the URL of the blog. So basically title and URL of the blog should be similar. So right now let's say I want to promote the services related to home decor. So what I will do, I will just write home decor trends. Hopefully this URL will be available, that means not taken by anyone else. Home decor trends. Okay. Yeah. So this is a privacy option, that is password protect this blog. Basically this option is good for the people who want to share this particular blog with particular group of people. So if they want to open this blog, then they have to enter this password so that they can open this blog, otherwise they will not. So that's why if you want to do this, you can good to go. Okay, so I don't want to do that. I'm just clicking on this I am not a robot option, and let me see whether this home decor trends is available or not. Okay, thankfully it is available. So okay, we have successfully created a free blog on Tumblr. Okay, so this is how your home decor trends blog will appear before doing any customization or doing any editing. Okay, so this is the feed. You can see news feed as well. Okay, so after that you can see here edit appearance option. So what you have to do, just let me show you here. Okay, this is the edit appearance option. From here you can do any changes you want to do and the way you want to make your blog. So just click on it. Okay, so from here you can make the changes as per your need and as the way you want your blog should be look like. So what you have to do, just click on this edit appearance option. Some people actually I got few questions related to this. They are like how to do editing on Tumblr or how to do edit appearance thing on Tumblr. So basically some people miss out this option. What you have to, let me just highlight this one. See, first of all you have to click on this edit appearance option, and later on you can do the editing. Otherwise you can't do editing until and unless you click on it. So let's click on this one. Okay, so here you can select the header photo, and from here you can choose the avatar. And if you don't like this round shape, you can select the square shape. So I'm just going with the square shape here. Now I actually already downloaded the images for this one. Let me see whether they can go with this or not. Okay, this is Tumblr header image. I just downloaded it from the Pexels. You can download it from any website. Okay, I know it is not looking like a home decor thing, but it is just for your showing you how to do that. From here, home decor trends, I have N-TechSpot logo, so I am using that N-TechSpot logo over here, but you can use different logo as per your blog. Okay, and then here you can just write the description like I'm writing over here. If you are looking for the best home decor trends, then you got it. Okay, so this is how you can make the changes. Now just click on the save option. Okay, this is how it will look. From here you can change the blog name if you don't want this blog name. Okay, so right now I'm going with it, but if you like, sometimes what happens, in the hurry we just take some random name and later on we want to change it, but in some cases we can't. But on Tumblr you can definitely do it, so you can go for it if you want to. Okay, now there is a custom theme option. If you are enabling this custom theme, you can customize everything related to this theme. Okay, so let me show you how can you do that. Just click on this enable custom theme option. Then here you can go, one more thing here. See, there is an option over here that is use a custom domain. Okay, if you want to use a custom domain, then you can go for it. You can purchase it from the Namecheap or like Bluehost or the GoDaddy or whatever hosting provider you want to go with. If you want to use a custom domain, this is the best option if you are really serious about the blogging with Tumblr. Okay, so just let's back to our main topic, because right now we are talking about the free blog, so that's why I will stick to that. Right now just click on this edit theme option. So see, this is the interesting one actually. Here it is kind of similar to like WordPress. If you have used WordPress, like the people who have used WordPress, they will find it really useful or similar to WordPress. See, from here you can change the title, description, header image, avatar shape, means almost everything that you could have done with the WordPress, that you can do with the Tumblr as well. So basically totally depends on you what changes you want to do. Here there are so many options that you can go with and play with it. See, here you can also add a page. Let me show you how can you do that. Just write the page title. Suppose I want to create a page about us. Let me write the same URL about us. Okay, show a link on this page. I want to show this about us section on this page as well, so I will do that and just update preview. Okay, see, this is how it will look like. Actually it totally depends on the theme you select. Okay, you can select the theme as well. Body cannot be empty, just write something here. I'm just writing about us. Okay, if you click on this, you will go inside that page. There is one option over here from you can also change the theme. Wait a second, let me show you that as well. See, here is the browse themes option. See, there are paid themes as well, but basically we are talking about the free one, so obviously we will go with the free one. See, these are the free themes, so you can go with the free themes. Okay, let me take this one, not this one actually. Minimal, yeah, this one is also looking good, so let me take this one. Okay, so yeah, this don't worry about the paid one because there are free themes as well. I guess in the starting they just mentioned the paid one and then later on they mentioned the free one, so you can go with the free one. So I'm just clicking on the use. Okay, so this is the theme I chosen. So see, as per the theme, some options disappear and appear. So there might be possibility that some options will disappear from the theme you select. So it is not like that I am using the different Tumblr and you are using the different Tumblr. It's just that कि आप लोग दूसरे थीम यूज कर रहे हो, मैं दूसरी थीम यूज कर रही हूँ. So इसकी वजह से कुछ ऑप्शंस वहाँ से गायब हो गए हैं. So it is just like that. So there is no need to worry about it. So I'm just clicking save. Yeah, there are so many options. You can play with it and make the website as per your need. You can also connect with it with Google Analytics. That is good if you want to use it. Okay, I'm just saving it and move forward. So this is how you can create free blog on Tumblr within 5 minutes, I guess. Okay, and as per your requirements you can make other changes like show author portraits and the feature tags. Everyone can replies me. Then tipping, ask, let people ask questions. If you want people to ask you questions and you are available to answer them, then you can just simply click on it and ask me anything. Allow anonymous questions as well. If you want to get questions from anonymous people or anonymously, then you can just click on it. Otherwise just keep it as it is. So it totally depends on the it totally depends on your requirements and what exactly you want to do with the Tumblr. If you are using Tumblr for the promotional purpose, then you can make the changes as per your need. And if you are using the Tumblr for like service promotion or like products promotion, or if you are promoting the affiliate links, then as per your need you can good to go. Okay, so that's it for today. So hopefully you found this video useful, and if you like it, please like, share and comment below. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to it. And that's it for now. Thank you.